Try this with a decorator ladder. This is John with Build and Fix with Mooney, and today we're going to build a ladder, a blanket decorator ladder, but we're going to make it strong enough to hold someone if they accidentally climb on it. Let's get started. We're going to take a standard 2x4x8. We're going to cut it 5 foot first at the miter saw. On one end of the 5 foot board, I'm going to measure over 1.5 inches. And then down here on this end, I'm going to measure over from the same side 2 inches, just so we can offset this and give it a different look, a little tapered look. Now you flip them, you got 2 equals, see that? So this will be our bottom, this will be the top. So our 3 foot piece right here, we're gonna rip it at 1.5 inches, and then we're gonna split this one right here, which will be 1 inch each. Now we're gonna cut our rungs 14 inches. All right, we're gonna put the rungs 10 inches apart. So pull up 10 inches and mark it, and just keep pulling 10 inches. You'll get five steps. I'm gonna bring this line down on the outside. So we're gonna drill holes. Now I centered the 2 bigger rungs at the bottom. I'm just gonna center them on the rail. I put some spacers just so I could even the rungs up on the sides. And so then I just take a tape right here and measure, and center is right around 1 inch. Now I'm gonna pre-drill all my rungs so I can mark center of my dowels. My jig is too small for my Forstner bit, so I just drilled a hole in the block to help me line this up. So I'm just gonna put the bit in here, put it down here on my hole right here. All right, I switched over to the spade bit because the Forstner bit kept getting stuck. So just go backwards a little bit and then forward. This dowel is fitting better with the spade bit. Ladder held together with clamps. All the outside holes are drilled. I put little spacers under each rung here so I can line it up with the hole. Remember, these 2 up here, these 3 are 1 inch thick, so I had to adjust it to make sure we got it to drill it right on. That's a 1/2 inch. That's a tight fit, but we're gonna make it work. So now I'm just gonna drill all these holes through. I'm gonna go in 1.5 inches, I decided. I'm just gonna mark drill bit right here. I cut these 4-inch dowels. We're gonna lather them up with glue and bang them on in there. There we go. Clean this up. Got the dowels in, clamped up, glued up. I'm gonna leave it overnight, let it set up. So now I'm just stressing the ladder, the rungs like they actually were used, once upon a time. So I took a chisel, just a dull chisel. Do that a little bit right here. Maybe where the feet would be, right? Then I'll clean it all up with the sander. I should sharpen this thing, huh? There we go. I marked a 10-degree angle. Long point will be on the front of the ladder. I lean the ladder against the house, and I'm just gonna guess with the, take the corner off, just a guesstimate, just like that. 3/4 of an inch by 2.5. This customer wanted this natural, so we're gonna leave it natural. This would be a great little project to throw some color or stain, whatever you want to match your decor. Try this with a decorator ladder. Well, here's the finished product, and I want to bring you in and show you how it rests against the wall. The customer is our daughter, so she wanted it plain, natural, and later she may paint it down the road. So let me bring you in and show you how it fits. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.